So there's been a big increase of traders moving from other markets into the futures markets, and for very good reason, because futures offers a wonderful, great opportunity. But there's a little confusion on just how to get started. Some people think it's really complicated to get going with the broker and the platform, but actually it's very straightforward once you know what to do. All right, so in this video, we're just gonna take a quick crash course on how to get started trading futures contracts. Let's go deeper. So trading futures is not hard, okay? It's actually very straightforward, and we're gonna talk about the math here in this video. But before we get to that, the problem or the confusion on just that people have getting started is because in the futures ecosystem, you have brokers and you have platforms. And you need to know when you're signing up with a broker and when you're signing up with a platform. That part can be confusing and just throw people off. We're going to discuss it. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the two paths that you could take. Path one is if you were just ready to trade your own live account, and I'm going to show you how you would go about getting started with that. Path two is if you're going to go through a prop firm. All right, so let's start with path one. Let's go over to the monitor. So people ask me all the time, you know, when I post a video, like they're like, all right, what platform is that? So I'm trading on the NinjaTrader platform, but NinjaTrader itself is also a brokerage firm, okay? For CFD traders, stocks, options, okay? So the NinjaTrader platform, futures contracts, E-mini S&P, micro E-mini futures, futures basics, and this is a good place to learn too, by the way, if you just want to learn more about futures. NinjaTrader has tons of articles and videos, margins and futures, technical analysis. Hey, if you want to learn, this is a great spot to learn. So I use NinjaTrader, okay? So I do have a live account with them, and it's pretty easy. It's pretty simple, like any other thing. You open up, you will hit open account, fill out all the paperwork, right? Eventually, they're going to send you a login and a password, all right? So from there, all you would do is download the platform. You know, here you got different type of platforms. I use their NinjaTrader platform. Once you log into your back office, all right, you will see a download button. Let me log in and show you the button real quick. So as soon as you log in over here to the left at the bottom, download our award-winning desktop platform, and it is award-winning. So that's it. You would download the platform, okay? And after you get it downloaded, you would just log in with the credentials they give you, and boom, you're up. You have a platform. This is the NinjaTrader platform. So you see the difference? This is the platform. Before I was on the broker account. That's the difference. Platform, broker account, platform, broker. And that's the difference, right? But this is a way to get started. Now, I've only used NinjaTrader, so they're all that I can, you know, kind of talk about, but they're not the only broker in town. You know, you got Iron Beam. If you guys are, you guys are watching this on YouTube, I know you've seen this Iron Beam commercial. I haven't used them. Don't know if they're a good broker or not, but, you know, I can say, and they got some kind of platform too, 300 built-in indicators, custom order, desktop, web, mobile. So yeah, all right. So they're with the CME group, just like NinjaTrader. Is a CMM group clearing member firm. Yep, so this is just like NinjaTrader. So you could go with these cats. Oh, look. Trade your Iron Beam account on TradingView. Boom, right there. So for those people who are used to platforms, TradingView platforms. So again, I was saying a lot of confusion comes in because people don't understand that who's the broker, who's the platform, right? So NinjaTrader is a broker and a platform. Iron Beam here is the broker, and they're saying you can trade on your TradingView platform. So if you already have a TradingView platform, which many traders do, and you're comfortable with that, you like using it, then if you're trying to get into futures, you could easily just sign up with Iron Beam. I believe you probably could do the same thing with NinjaTrader, but for the example here, sign up with Iron Beam to get a broker futures account, and then trade it on TradingView. All right, so that's the way that you go about it when you're trying to get set up on a live account. Now, let's talk about prop firms. As you guys may or may not know, I use Take Profit Trader. So it's the same deal. When you're going through the prop firm, they're actually like the broker in that case, right? And then they will offer you, like in this case right here, they will offer you that you can trade on NinjaTrader if you have that platform, which we do because we just downloaded it, right? Again, here's TradingView. You can trade on TradingView if that's what you're used to, or TraderBait. Now, that's for this CQG data feed. Now, if you want to use Rhythmic data feed, and the data feed is just the prices, right? This Rhythmic has a ton. I've heard of Sierra Chart before. Actually haven't heard of these other ones. Don't mean they're not good. I've just personally only used NinjaTrader. I love the platform. I couldn't see going anywhere else. All right, but that's just me. But depending on what country you're in, you know, NinjaTrader is not available. I just heard in Nigeria, for example. So maybe some of these other ones are available there. And that's just some research you have to do to figure out if these platforms are available. But again, all you would do is, so I got NinjaTrader, right? So after I sign up with Take Profit Trader, they're gonna give me a username and password, right? So let's go over to the chart and I'm gonna show you what you do after that. So on the NinjaTrader chart, you'll have this other little part here where you just hit connections, right? And these are all your connections. Then you would just go to configure and boom, right here, you would just put your username and password in for Take Profit Trader where they tell you to put it. Also, remember that NinjaTrader is just a platform. So you can connect other stuff. You can connect Coinbase. Let's say you're trading crypto, right? You can connect a Coinbase feed straight into your NinjaTrader and trade crypto from here. You can trade CTrader, eSignal, Forex.com, FXCM. So let's say that you have a Forex.com Forex account, right? You log in with your Forex credentials, and then you can trade right from your NinjaTrader platform. So NinjaTrader is just it's a platform in this example, right? It's a platform. We know it's a broker too, but it's also a platform where you can connect that Rhythmic, TD Ameritrade, Swap, right? You can connect your other investment brokers to NinjaTrader, all right? So NinjaTrader is awesome, all right? Now, those are the two paths that you can take, right? You can, again, if you're going live, like I said, if you're going live, sign up with a broker, then you connect it to some type of platform, TradingView, NinjaTrader. If you're going through a prop firm, then you connect it to, the prop firm is going to give you login information. Then, and like in my case, I connected it to NinjaTrader, all right? So those are the two paths you can take. Now let's talk about why you would trade futures. Let's say over Forex, for example. Let me get rid of this. And just 1 second, let me get my tool up here. Sorry, I'm prepared. Because there's a very specific reason why you trade futures. And it's because you can make more by doing less, okay? So let's talk numbers real quickly here. So in the futures market, all right, in the futures market, everything is based on ticks, all right? So you are currently looking at the ES mini commodity, all right? And you can look this up on the website for NinjaTrader, but the ES trades at $12.50 per tick, all right? Per tick. Now, there are four ticks, and 4 ticks, equals 1 point, okay? So that means 1 point, if prices go 1 point in your favor, you make $50. If it go 1 point against you, you lose $50, all right? So it's a per point situation. Now, I just want to show you here, I put these lines on my chart here just to illustrate this, so I can show you what 1 point is. From here, say we're going down, to there is 1 point, okay? So the beauty of futures is that the distance that you have to travel to make $50 is like nothing, right? How far would you have to travel to make $50 in Forex? On top of that, how much would you have to risk, right? So one thing that's really appealing about the futures market is that the math is straightforward, all right? For instance, in Forex, if you're trading the euro yen, right, and then you're trading the euro dollar, one pip at, let's say, one full lot, the money ain't the same, right? So you have to make sure you're doing the math on each and every asset you trade, get the lots right, right? And it's real easy to make a mistake and blow your account out. God forbid that happens to you. But so in futures, the math is way simpler than in Forex. Now, everything's going to be different. The NQ has whatever theirs is by tick, you know, the YM or the Dow is whatever it is per tick. But once you find out what that number is, it's always the same. So in the ES, I know that on an ES mini contract, it's one tick is 12.50. If I was trading micros, I know that one tick is $1.25. So 1 point in micros is only $5. Okay, 1 point in the ES mini is $50. So the math is straightforward. On top of that, the difference between futures and say Forex is Forex, you got that spread, right? And the spread can be different. You know, when you really want to trade at the beginning of the market open, that spread is ridiculous, right? They're trying to deter you from trading and winning an easy gap trade, for example, right? So the gap is ridiculous. You got to pay that gap before you can get into profit. And again, it's changing. So you never know what you're going to pay in fees in the Forex unless you have a really good broker who offers really small spreads and stays pretty consistent. But you want to do Bitcoin, the spreads are going to be off the chain. I'm just telling you right now. But in the futures market, it's always the same. It's $5 a round term. I believe, don't quote me on that. I'm almost certain if you trade one contract, you buy, you sell to get out, that's a round term. It's going to cost you $5. 10 at the most, but I'm almost certain it's 5. It could be 10. And then it goes up per contract. But if you only got one contract, it's only 5. Now, you may be saying, Jay, what the heck is a contract? All right, let's go back to the board. Okay, so in this example, right, one ES, and when I said ES is $12.50 per tick, what I really should have said is one ES contract, okay? You're trading contracts when you're talking futures, all right? And I'll let you, you guys can look this up, do it, there's free ebooks on Amazon for basics of futures. But basically, a futures contract is you're buying the right to buy or sell a commodity at a certain price in the future, and you're hoping that the price is either higher or lower than what you locked it in at. That's the gist of it. But one contract, right, pays out $12.50 per tick. There's 4 ticks in a point, and that's $50. So if I just go over here, let me go over here real quick. You see this right here is 90. We got 59, 90, right? Now, if I move lower, let's move up. If I move up, that 0.25 is 1 tick, okay? If I go up to 0.50, that's 2 ticks, right? 0.75, that's 3 ticks. So I will be 3 ticks in my favor. So I'll be up like 37.50 right now. Then on the 4th tick, that makes a whole point. So from 990 right here to 990.91 is 1 point move. That's a 1 point move in the futures market, which is worth $50. Okay, so already you should start to see the benefit of this, right? Okay, because from a strategic standpoint, you have to come up with a strategy that does less to make more than in other markets. So let me just explain. Let me look at it like this. All right, right here we have a high, push down, came back, lower high, beautiful signal candle. I'm going right there. Okay. Now, let's say if you get a good strategy, you put your stop right here. Let's say you get so you're risking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're risking 5 points, right? So you're risking 250 to take this trade. But, and let's say we're only doing one contract. One contract, we risk 250 to take this trade. But If you ride this all the way down, say it comes back and get you right here. I already did the math on this. That was 17 points. From right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 points. That's 850. Okay. So you made 850, but you only risked 250. Not a bad risk to reward. Okay. Here's the beauty of futures. If you just get a strategy, you don't have to go for huge moves. You don't. I mean, you don't. Now, you can be who you are in the futures market. You're a swing trader. Hey, get your swing on. You're a scalper. You can make a living, because look how far you got to go just to get 1 point. So if you get good at just getting 2 points a day, right? If you can just get 2 points a day with one contract, bam, that's $100 a day. All right. Now, that may not seem like a lot, right? That may not seem like a lot, but an extra $100 a day is something that many people are looking for. And you saw the distance that you had to go. You can make that in seconds, okay? You can if you come up with a good scalping strategy, right? Only take good setups, you can make $100 in seconds in the futures market. To make that in the Forex, you would have to risk a ton, and then you got to hope the spread. I mean, it's just not the same. Okay, it's just not the same. Now, here's the most powerful part of the futures market. Let's say you have a strategy, you're working it, and you are consistently making 2 points a day. Consistently, no problem. You get 2 points a day, you go on, do something else, you straight. To make more money, you don't have to take more trades. This is very important. This is a futures thing. To make more money, or to scale your trading business, you don't have to take more trades. All you have to do is add on more contracts. Okay, you add on more contracts and the money changes. Let's go back over to the charts. So let's say you real good. Let's say at one contract, right? We got one contract and we good at making 2 points. All right, bam. So we good at making $100 a day. We do this for a while. We get real crispy at it. We get real consistent at knocking out that 100. Well, we don't have to take more trades to make more money. Once we add 2 contracts and we getting those 2 points, guess what? Now we're getting $200 a day, taking the exact same amount of trades. But then we do that for a while. We staying consistent. We slowly move up to 3 contracts, right? 3 contracts is 150 a point. We trying to get 2 points. Guess what? Man, now we making $300 a day. Then we go to 4, but let's just say we at 5. You know what I'm saying? Now 5 times 50, right? It's 250, but we're good at 2 points. That's just 1 point. So now we are making $500 a day, and we're still just taking 2 points out the market every day. Just 2 points. So the real power in futures is the scalability situation, right? Once you get really, really good, you don't have to take more trades to make more money. Just add more contracts, all right? And this is serious stuff, because as you get better and better, and your strategy, really solidify it, man, once you're up to 10, 15, 20 contracts, I mean, we're talking real money here, okay? And so I lean towards telling people, if you're just getting started in this, go with a prop firm, okay? Go with a prop firm. Well, first go on demo, right? Go on demo, get your strategy together, figure out whether you're a scalper, figure out whether you're a swing trader. Do that first, okay? Unfortunately, this market, and well, again, this is why I say go with a prop firm, because prop firm, you can actually trade 24/7 other than between 5 to 6 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Other than that, the market with a prop firm, you have actually enough money to trade the overnight session. So if you can't trade through the day, you can trade the overnight section. Now it's gonna be slow as molasses, but it's doable. I've won plenty of trades through the night. But the intraday session is 9:30 to about 4:30, right? That's when it's really cooking. It's really 9:30 to 12 is when it's really cooking. If you can trade that time, then that's the best time to trade, especially if you're just trying to scalp. If you're just trying to get a point or two, or if you're trying to catch a nice swing, you're trying to get 10 points, 9:30 to 12 is going to be your time. Overnight too, though, for the swing, you can definitely catch a good swing overnight. But you got to be up and watch it and manage it and all that good stuff. But go on demo, get your strategy together. Then once you're ready, I suggest going the prop firm route. Why put up your own money when you can use their money and it gives you those advantages of being able to trade overnight? You know, on that trade I showed you, we risked 250, 300. Hey, that may be heavy on your own personal account, but if you open up a $25,000 account, $50,000 account, you can lose $100,000 account. Let's say you can lose 1,500, 2,000, or 3,000. You know, risking 300, you got 3,000, you risking 300, 10% risk. Okay. To make 850. See, so that's futures, right? Now this is not everything, all right? Probably gonna do a part 2, right? I don't want to bore you guys to stop watching if I keep going on this one. I just wanted to give you I just want to clear up that confusion of, you know, broker and the platform situation that throws you off. And I wanted to cover the math to let you know why futures is the place to be, why so many people are coming over to futures from other markets. And so I think in the next video, we will cover kind of setting up the chart. I mean, a lot of people ask me how to set up the chart, because with NinjaTrader, it is an award-winning chart, and they got plenty of bells and whistles. Okay, you can add news, so you know when news is coming out. You can add on tick counters to see, because I use a tick chart. You can see when the candles are going to close. You can add on copy traders, or like if you have multiple accounts with a take profit, or if you want to trade your live account and a prop firm account, you can connect those. So hey, listen, NinjaTrader has a ton of add-ons, but if you want to figure out how to do something, I just want to give you a pro tip, because I've been answering questions and I'm trying to do my best to keep up with answering these questions, these setup questions. Remember, I'm the strategy guy, people, but I will help you with the setup questions. But here's a tip for you, so you ain't got to wait on me. Go to Google. And I know you get irritated when people just say go to Google, but do this when you go to Google. Put in NinjaTrader how to X, right? Or TradingView how to X. That'll get your answer a lot quicker. You just need that keyword so you can, you know, shift through all the junk and get straight to NinjaTrader. Because trust me, there are tons of NinjaTrader articles, tons of NinjaTrader videos. The platform has been around for a long time and it's awesome. People love it, and developers build stuff for it all the time. So if you have questions about how to do certain things with NinjaTrader, especially, TradingView is the same way though. Google NinjaTrader how to XXX, TradingView how to XXX, and you'll find those answers. But we will do another video where I show you exactly how I set up my NinjaTrader account, how I set up my ATM strategy, so that when I enter a trade, my stop is set, my take profit is set, and it's almost on autopilot, right? So we'll cover that in the next one. So come back and holler at your boy. But if you enjoyed this one, hit that like button for me right now. Leave me a nice comment. Let's chop it up, all right? And if you do not have a trading strategy at all, check the link in the description. Your boy got you, all right? So until next time, my name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the Southern. Bye-bye. Hey, you know what? For staying this long, I'm gonna just throw a trade example in here. I'm gonna fast forward through it. Y'all watch that and check it out. Catch you later. Bye-bye. All right, so we just took a range fade. See, we've been bouncing at this level all day. And so now we're gonna get out of risk here. And we're gonna look for this measure move here, which would be something like this. Put my target here. See, we got a trend up. This was 2 legs back to the bottom of this range where we bounced. If we can get out of this range, I'll feel comfortable, and I definitely will lock in tight right in here. You know what? When we break higher, I kind of would consider adding on here. Close on your top. There we go.
Order filled.
Give some space here. I moved my stop up some more, just lock in a little bit more profit. We got through this area, but it didn't keep it running, so lock in some more profit here. Push up, come on, push up, push up, push up, push up. Push up, break higher, come on, break higher. Break higher. I'll take this close, this would be a great close, push up. Next candle, bam, let's go. Next candle, bam, let's go. Higher, low, push. We are almost to the target. Come on, I believe we can make this target. Let's go. We just need to break higher here. Rejection, hold us down. Good push up, good rejection. Good rejection. Come on, let's go on and get this new high. Come on. You got it. You the candle that's gonna do it. You the candle that's gonna do it. Need some more rejection again.
Stop filled.
Wasn't to be.